Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create audiobook using AI. Okay, let's get into it guys. For today's tutorial, we're going to use ElevenLabs.io. So first of all, you can visit this website and then you can sign up to this website with your Google account. And after that, you're going to choose new audiobook menu here. Go to studio first and then choose new audiobook. Okay, and here you can upload your document. If you already have a document, just upload it here, and then you can choose the default voice. And I'm just going to choose Alice. Okay, and then you can upload your file, and then click on Create Project. And to create the script, you can ask help from ChatGPT, guys, because I have just asked ChatGPT to make the narration for me. And then I'm going to go back to the ElevenLabs, and then I'm going to click on Create Project. Okay. And your audio will be turned into audiobook, guys, and I'm going to click on Got It. Okay, and you can export the audio here. Just tap on export, and then I'm going to select export, and yeah. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create audiobook using AI. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.